Welcome to this guided breathing meditation. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll use this time to give our concentration and mental stability a quick boost. The breath is the perfect tool for this, as our goal is to stay fully aware of the present moment, and the breath only exists in the now. To begin, if you like, take a couple of deep breaths to release any tension. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Then allow your breath to return to its natural pace, whatever that may be, and turn your attention to your breathing. How you breathe in and how you breathe out. Notice what it feels like to just breathe. What are the sensations of the breath? Observe how your body moves with each breath. Notice which parts move more and which parts move less. Now bring your focus to where you feel the breath most clearly. It could be in your belly, chest, ribs, shoulders, or even at your nostrils. Stay with the physical sensation of your breath in that part of your body. You might feel the rising and falling, or the expansion and contraction. You may even notice the flow of air and changes in temperature. Simply observe how these sensations shift with each inhale and exhale. Now shift your attention to the subtler sensations around the nostrils. You might feel cool air going in and warm air coming out, or feel the breath as it touches the area just below your nose and above your upper lip. Keep your awareness on this spot, tracking the breath as it moves in and out. To further strengthen your focus, you can pay attention to different aspects of your breath. Maybe you notice it moving through the left or right nostril, or even both at once. You might observe whether the breath is long or short, deep or shallow, and notice the temperature difference between each in-breath and out-breath. If your mind wanders to thoughts or worries about the past, when you realize it, bring your attention back to your breath in this present moment. This is your practice, training your awareness If your awareness starts to weaken or it's difficult to focus, move back to the sensation associated with the breath, such as every time your attention wandered to some thoughts or worry about the past, the future, or today. Don't be disappointed or frustrated. Just smile, knowing that in this moment you noticed that. And gently bring back the flow to the breath in the area of nostril. Feeling this is what you are If you find it difficult, take a few deeper and harder breaths for a while to awaken the body and the mind. There's nothing you need to do or create, just watch the breath as it flows. Find where the breath touches and keep your focus there. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room you're in. Notice your surroundings, gently open your eyes, and take a moment to appreciate yourself for dedicating this time to care for your mind and body. carry this feeling with you through the rest of your day and share it with those around you. If you enjoyed this, please support the Blissful Living community by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for joining us.